Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer USDT from Binance to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With crypto exchanges constantly updating, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and securely. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll break it down so it's easy to follow. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a verified account on both Binance and Coinbase, some USDT in your Binance wallet, and two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled for extra security. Always stay vigilant in the crypto world. Let's get started with step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select your USDT balance. This is where you'll manage your funds. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to USDT. You'll see options for different networks, like ERC20 or BEP20. For transferring to Coinbase, I recommend ERC20 for compatibility, but double-check for the lowest fees in 2025. Exchange policies might have changed. Step 3. Enter your Coinbase wallet address. To find this, log into your Coinbase app or website, go to your wallet settings, and copy the address. Paste it carefully into Binance to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Make sure it's above the minimum withdrawal limit and review the transaction fees. Then, hit Confirm and complete any security verifications, like entering a 2FA code. After that, the transfer will be processed. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, step 5. Check your Coinbase wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. A quick tip: always verify wallet addresses and be aware of potential gas fees. If anything goes wrong, contact support immediately. There you have it. Your USDT is now in Coinbase. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.